How to travel over the world from your home. I will use Google Maps service. In this service, in right down corner, we see person icon. Tap this person icon and we see that it is Browse Street View Image. Tap this and over the world we see Street View. If you want to travel, for example, in Finland, click plus to zoom and then choose place. For example, Helsinki. In Helsinki, we can choose any place. These blue lines is our street views. Tap blue line place and we are in Helsinki. We see buildings, road name, and we can travel. Click, and we can walk in the streets. We see cars, peoples, buildings, and if we are tired and we want to the sea, we can choose any place. For example, beach, for example, Greece. And in Greece, choose island. Or I want travel to Kypros. Zoom, Kypros. Choose any place, for example, Limassol. And in Limassol, choose road near the sea. Tap blue line and we are in Kypros near the Mediterranean Sea. We can see other sides to the sun and to travel here. It's very fun. If we are tired to travel, we can choose any museum. Tap back and choose museum. Choose, for example, Moscow, and in Moscow we can choose any museum. For example, Tretyakov Gallery Museum. Choose it and we can choose any place near the museum or we can enter in museum. We see many places in museum and choose any place. And we are in museum. It's great. It's fantastic. We can walk and see other paintings. It's a very perfect. Now you know how to travel over the world with Google Maps. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.